Hey guys, Debamitra one more time. Hope you guys are doing well, right? In my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. Okay, in my today's session, I'm going to give you a proper idea about the office ethics at the office decorum. Okay, so at first, we need to know what is the office ethics and how we can work in an office environment and what we need to maintain in that office culture. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So being an part of an organization, maybe it is a CMM level company, it can be a startup, it can be a private limited company, that doesn't matter. The basic things are always same in each and every company. The first thing is always try to come down in office on proper timing. Okay, if you're not able to do it, if you live far from your office location, so if there is any kind of provision you have, kindly talk your seniors and tell them that I will be late for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. So I will work more 30 minutes or 20 minutes in office. So the second thing is kindly uh, keep aside your personal relationships from office culture. Okay, maybe you have a very good bonding with your seniors or juniors in office environment. You are not going to portray it, because whenever you are working in an office culture, you need to respect that chair. Maybe he or she is very good friend of outside the office, but whenever you are in office, you need to maintain that decorum. The third thing is sit properly in an office. It's very much needed because that makes an impression about you. So whenever you are going in front of seniors, in front of your own desk also, sit properly, not putting your legs in another chair, and by sitting like that, it makes a very bad impact in everyone's mind. So don't do it. The fourth thing is always keep your desk and your cubicles properly clean, because after left whenever you are going to left your office, that no one is there to clean your desk and to make that things proper. It's your duty to clean your desk and keep the thing all those things properly. Always try to keep mobiles and all gadgets, whatever gadgets you have, that in silent mode whenever you are going to attend one meeting, because they are seniors and they are sharing their ideas, their knowledge with you. So if you are not going to do it, it can impact in your career. Okay, so the another thing is, maybe you have so many skill sets, but you are selected for your company only for that precise job role. So whatever skill set you have, that is your personal skill set. So for that skill set, you are not going to get any advantage in your company. It can be value addition, and in office environment, always try to talk less and work more, because maybe it can be questioned that in our in a team we need to do queries, we need to make generate ideas. So it can be in fun element mode, but at the end of the day, the productivity matters. And kindly maintain the hierarchy. If someone is hired in your company as a senior of you, that means maybe you are in your company for 2 years, 3 years, more than 5 years, that doesn't matter. That person is already industry expert, and he or she has that knowledge of, that's why your company hired him or her as your senior. So keep it in your mind, you can't behave with them that I am the senior of your office because I have more skill set and I have knowledge, more knowledge, and I am working in this office for 6 years, 7 years, and or 2 years. So I know better than you. Okay. Next thing is, don't play the game of resignation. It makes a very bad impact in an organization. If you have started working, that organization always try to see the consistency of you, not that game that how much time I can I have joined and I gave resignation, then I came back, then I go, and after that I feel that I need to come back and I will came back one more time. So this doesn't make good impact. You can show your audacity, but that is not very good for your career. Okay. The next thing is, if you are working in an office, always try to keep your toilet and your another part of your office clean. So you can tell that it's not my duty. Yes, it's not your duty. You are not there to do something like to cleaning that office. But what whoever the responsible person for this job role, kindly keep that responsibility and try to keep your toilets and all the company's things properly clean. Okay, don't make excuses for your failure, because excuses can't give you the chance to survive. That I'm working with someone who has not that much good, and my seniors have not gave me the chance to work properly, and I have so many skill sets, but I am not able to do anything because of my seniors. Because whenever that senior person was in your company, he was working with that senior. Okay, so if you that time if you don't have any issue with him, after when he left that company or she left that company, you started feeling like he or she is very much dominating. He or she don't give you the chance to work properly. Is it right? Or do you think? No, it's not right. Don't talk anything wrong about anyone who is in that organization, or most importantly, who has left the organization. Okay, so maybe when you are in problem, that seniors has helped you to get that job. So kindly keep it in your mind that so don't spoil their image in office culture. Okay, the next thing is, if you have any kind of god or goddess murti in your office, a statue or in your office, kindly try to keep that place clean. And if possible, if it's not possible for everyone, tell someone to bring some flowers and make that place uh, proper, that whenever one client or one inquiry is going to visit that office, they can feel that it's very pleasant place, and there is the picture of god, and we are feeling very blessed. If someone has hired in your company, and that candidate or that person needs your help, and they ask for your help and you help them, don't take it like you have done something that is very big thing. Because if you are working in that work culture in an office, someone else has helped you to stay in that office, right? That's why you are working. So whenever a new candidate is going to join, it's your duty to help him. So you are not doing any kind of any uh, what is called in Hindi, that is upkar. Okay, or favor. No, it's not like favor. It's your duty to help him or her. Whatever you are doing for your organization and doing for your own benefit also. So don't make it a sympathy ground that I have helped him or her, and after that I am getting these things. Don't fight in front of any client or any inquiry. If there is it sometimes it happens, there are so many differences of opinions. We can, or other in an organization, there is a decorum to resolve it by sitting proper way, and at the during the meeting timing. Okay, so don't find in front of any client, any inquiry, or any other people. Don't get influenced by some people who don't even know what are they doing in one organization. They don't even very much focus about their job role, because sometimes it makes a very bad impact in your career graph. The another thing is dress properly. It matters. If you are in office environment and if you are wearing something that is not very good, I'm not saying that buy more branded clothes and wear it. No, it's not about branded clothes and that kind of thing. Whatever I am saying, that is, try to always maintain the decorum, and try to, whatever the company norm is, it can be dress like informal, it can be semi formal, it can be traditional. Try to dress accordingly. Okay. And always, uh, whenever you are in meeting, listen to others. Whatever your seniors are saying, that matters, because they are here, they are in your company, not by their company has not hired them by seeing their face. They had hired them because they have the skill set, and they know about more than you. So always keep calm whenever one meeting is going on. Okay. And if everyone is talking, if seniors are giving any advice to you, that means he or she has that skill set. That's why he or she is talking about it. So, and always whenever you are going to take leave, kindly inform your team leader properly and send mails, because through email only you can communicate, because that is the written document in your hand, that you have written that you want to leave, or you want to take leave, and if it granted, only then you can take leave. If we are right now, each and every company is working from work from home mode, especially in IT. So if you are working in from home, that time also communication is needed. Without communication with your seniors or your juniors, maybe it happens with seniors also. They think I'm working from home, that means I don't need to connect with my juniors. No, it's not like that. Whenever you're working in an office culture, you need to maintain that decorum, that whenever they need you, you need to attend their calls and talk with them, not in your professional personal timing. That within 7 to 8 hours of your office timing, you need to communicate with them properly. Whatever issues they have, you need to solve it. Okay. And these are the things, guys. Kindly try to maintain the office decorum. And one more thing I need to say, okay, I forgot that. That is, kindly keep, don't use your office Wi-Fi for your personal phone. What happens whenever you are working in an office environment, and there are so many laptops, so many computers are running in that network. If you are going to connect with that network, that time maybe that computers, that laptops got slow down for using the net in other devices also. So kindly try to maintain the decorum. Use your own net, and if it's very much needed, there is no option for you, then only you can do it. Okay. So uh, these are the things about office decorum. Whatever it came in my mind, I have talked about it. In my another sessions, I'm going to talk about more things. So kindly think about it and be a proper professional person, and make yourself confident enough to work in an office without having any influence, or without giving any kind of any thing that um, support. Okay. That is very much needed of a professional person life. So this is for today's session. Bye.